Good morning, students. In the previous videos, determinants part 7, up to part 7, we solved the exercises 4.1 and 4.2. In the 4.2, 7 problems we solved. Okay, now I think 1 or 2 problems are given as homework. Now we are going to solve the 8th problem. It is the 8th part of determinant. Okay, na? Yeah. The 8th part, 2 problems are given, 2 Roman, 1 and 2. 2 I will solve and 1 is given as a homework. It's a simple problem. Now observe it. This is second one. LHS. LHS is a determinant is given 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, and it is A cube, B cube, and C cube. And we have to prove that that RHS, A minus B of B minus A of C minus A of A plus B plus C is okay. But all these problems without expanding the directly, without using the traditional method directly, we have to use the properties of determinant and we have to solve it. Okay, na? Yeah. Using the properties means some row operations, column operations are there. Those are the properties of determinant. You see, in the determinant, if zeros are there, it is very easy to calculation. Okay, now, so you see, here I want to say 1 is there. I am applying C2 as C2 minus C1. Will agree, na? 1 minus 1 is 0. Similarly, C3 as C3 minus C1. You see, here this is C2 and C3, column 2. Column 1 is as it is. Column 2 is 1 minus 1, B minus A, B cube minus A cube. Similarly, 1 minus 1, column 3 minus column 1. 1 minus 1, C minus A, C cube minus A cube. That is nothing but 1A cube is as it is, and it is 0, 0, it is B minus A, it is B cube minus A cube is there. B cube minus A cube means it is B minus A of B square plus AB plus A square. Will agree? It is B minus A and it is 0. Next, third column also 1 minus 1 0, it is C minus A, and here also C cube minus A cube means it is C minus A of C square plus AC plus A square. Okay, now? You see that? Here is some operations we are using. C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1. Why? Because in order to get a 0. Now it is 1, 0, 0. Here B minus A is common in the second column. 0 na? B minus A. Here also B minus A. So in the second column, B minus A is a common. Similarly, in the third column, C minus A. In the 0, C minus A is there. C minus A, and here also C minus A. So in the second column, I am taking B minus A as a common. And the third column, C minus A. Then it is 1A cube. It is 0, 1, B square plus AB plus A square is there. Here also 0, 1, C minus A is come out as a common. And here remained C square plus AC plus A square. Okay, na? Yeah. So now the given determinant is reduced like this, in which the first row is containing 1, 0, 0. Now it is very easy to calculate. Okay, na? Here also we will do one thing. In order to get here also 0, 1 minus 1. Okay, na? 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 1 more 0 will come. Okay, na? So it is C3. It will become as C3 minus C2. So it is B minus A of C minus A of 1 A cube. 0, 1, it is B square AB plus A square. And it is 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, directly I am writing. It is 1 minus 1, C3 minus C2, 0. Here also you observe that C square plus AC minus plus A square minus B square minus AB minus A square. Okay, na? So C square plus AC plus A square minus B square minus AB minus A square is there. So A square cancels. Directly I will solve it. It is B minus A of C minus A 1, 0, 0. It is A cube. It is B square. The 1, it is B square plus AB plus A square is there. You try to understand it. C square minus B square. One term. AC minus AB. AC minus AB. A is common. C square minus B square. In it C plus B, C minus B. Here also A of C minus B. So C minus B is there as common. So there remain the C plus B one term and A. You slowly calculate it. You can get it. Again I am telling C square minus B square. You see C square minus B square in the AC minus AB. AC minus AB. In this one C minus B of C plus B. Here A of C minus B. Again C minus B is taken as common. Okay, Nana? Like that. So here also in this third column 0, 0, C minus B. So here also C minus B is common. So we may write again C minus B common in the third column. So I am writing above, you see, it is B minus A, C minus A and it is C minus B into determinant 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. It is A cube. It is 1, 0. And here it is A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, na? And here is after taking C minus B as common, there remain only A plus B plus C. Again here you observe me writing in order. B minus A is there. A minus B I want to write. Then 1 minus will come. Here also C minus B, B minus C in order. So 1 minus come. Minus minus plus. Okay, now so it is B minus A not A minus B. C minus B not. It is B minus C. And it is as it is C minus C. And now here it is the last step of the determinant. Up to this one we can calculate. Next time it is not possible. There is no property to apply this one. So we have to expand here only. In the first row we can expand the determinant. 1 of deleting row and column, 1 of 1 into a plus b plus c. Okay, minus 0 into anything is 0. Minus 0 into anything is 0. Again plus 0. Plus 0 into anything is 0. Now it is a minus b of b minus c of c minus a into a plus b plus c. 1 into a plus b plus c is 1. Those are zeros. So it is a RHS. Okay now? Like that we have to, 1 or 2 times we have to follow it. Okay now? Yeah, pass. Okay then. 10th problem. First one is given as homework. It is given as homework. The second, Roman 2. LHS. Y plus k, y plus k, y plus k. You see, it is a standard steps are there. You see, y plus k, if you add y plus y, for R1, R2, R3, if we add, we get 3y. Here also y plus 3y. Here also 3y. K is common. So we get, by applying this property R1, it becomes as R1 plus R2 plus R3. For R1, we are applying R2 plus R3. So this is already I told 3y plus k. Here also 3y plus k. Here also 3y plus k. So 3y plus k is a common in the first row. So I took as a common 3y plus k. Then the element 1, 1, 1. These are as it is. Okay now? Now, if 1 comes in the any row or column, we may easily get 0. If 0 is there, the calculation is very easy. So 1 minus 1, that means column 1 minus column 2 minus column 1, column 3 minus column 1. Okay now? Right. So here the first column is as it is, the common is as it is. The second column 1 minus 1 is 0. Y plus k minus y cancel, we get k. Y minus y is equal to 0. Okay now? Here also third column minus the first column. 1 minus 1 is 0. Y minus y is 0. Y plus k minus y is k. Okay now? Here also one more thing. In the second column, you see k is common. The third column also k is common. 0 means 0 into k. So k is common in 0. Okay now? So second and third columns k is common. Take k as common. K into k. Okay now? It is k into k. 1k from second column. Another k is from third column. Okay now? K into k. 3y plus k is already is there. 1, 0, 0. Y 1 will come. And here also y 0. 1 will come. Okay now? Now this k into k is k squared. 3y plus k. 1 off. Now it is the last step, ultimate step. After that one, it is not possible to applying any property to simplify the determinant. In this determinant, it is the last one, ultimate one. So I want to expand by expanding the determinant in the first row only. 1 of 1 minus 0. Will agree? Minus 0 into anything. Minus 0 into determinant of y minus y. It is 0 into anything is 0. Again 0 into anything is 0. Okay na? Right line. So 1 into 1 only. 1 into anything is same. So it is k squared 3y plus k. That is what we require to prove. That is the RHS. Slowly 1 or 2 times we have to repeat and observe that one. Okay na? Yeah. See, I solved 8th problem and then 9th not. 10th problem. Now I want to go to solve the 9th problem. And already I solved 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is there. In the exercise 4.2, okay na? 8th, 10th problem. Okay na? Next, not in order, but by some problem in the cell phone, that is why I did like that only. 8th, 10th problem is already there. Next 9th, next 15 and 16. Okay. Now you see, 9th problem. LHS is x square y z. Y square zx. Z square xy. Okay now? Here, I want to apply this one. This operation, this property. R2 changes as R2 minus R1. R3 as R3 minus R1. Okay now? So the first row is as it is, x square yz. Whereas the second row, that is R2 changes as R2 minus R1. That is y minus x. Y square minus x square. Zx minus yz. Okay na? Yeah. Similarly, the third row, it is changed as a third row minus third one, first one. Z minus x, z square minus x square, xy minus yz. Okay. Here you are observing, this is y minus x. Here y square minus x square. Y square minus x square means y plus x of y minus x is there. Zx minus yz means z is taken common, z of x minus y. Here also, in the third row, z minus x, z square minus x square means z plus x of z minus x. Okay now? Right. Here y is common, y of x minus z. Okay now? Right. By using this property, R2, that becomes as R2 minus R1. R3 becomes as R3 minus R1. By using that one, that property, here some common is there, y minus x, here also y minus x if minus is there. Here also z minus x, here also, but minus y remains. Okay, minus z minus y. Here it is 1, 1, here y plus x, z plus x. Okay, yeah. Now, this R3 will become as, again, R3 minus R2, in order to get 0 here. R3 minus R2, or otherwise R2 minus R3, whatever it may be. So, R3 minus R2. So, first, second rows as it is, whereas the third row becomes as 1 minus 1, 0. Z minus y, here it is, after 1 minus 1, z plus x minus y minus x. X is cancelled, z minus y will get. And here also minus y, minus of minus z, plus z minus y will come. Okay then? Yeah. Again here you see, in the third row, we have again y minus z as a common. So, I took y minus z as a common, I put it in the outside of the determinant. Now, x square yz, 1 y plus x minus z is there. And here 0, 1, 1. Okay na? Yeah. Now, you try to take it down. Y minus x minus y in order. And z minus y minus z in order. So here 1 minus, here 1 minus, minus into minus plus. So no need to write the minus. X minus y, y minus z, z minus x is the order. Yes, okay. Now this is, try to understand, this is the last one. There is no ultimate step it is. So here I want to expand, you see it. Expand the determinant in the first column, not first row, because 0 is here. So in the first column, I want to expand the determinant. X of this one and this one. y plus x into 1 is y plus x minus of minus z plus z. Try to understand it. X of this row and column is related. Then there remain only these elements y plus x into 1, y plus x minus of minus plus z. Okay na? X is there. And minus 1 is there. Okay na? Minus 1 of this one, minus 1 of after deleting the row and column. X square into 1 x square minus yz. Okay na? Is it okay? Now the only one step is there. I will write here only one step. We'll get the answer. You see, it is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into, you see, x into y, xy, x into x, x square, plus x into z, zx, minus x square, minus into minus plus yz. Okay na? X square cancels. Then x minus y of y minus z of z minus x of xy plus yz plus zx is there. xy is there, yz plus zx. Okay na? That is nothing but RHS. Okay na? That is the thing. And I think it is clear. Okay, I want to finish in this video. Next, already I told you 10th problem is over and 11, 12, 13, 14 over. Those problems are important. Now we are going to object type questions. It's very simple by definition. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then depth of Ka, where K is a constant. K into A. A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 matrix. Then it is K power n mod A or det A, where n is order. It is order of matrix. Okay na? Order of matrix. But here what is order? 3 is order. So the option C is correct. Okay na? It is okay. Next 16th. Which of the following is correct? You see, determinant is a square. Determinant is a square matrix. It's absolutely wrong. Utterly it is wrong. Determinant, first of all, it's a number that is connected with the elements of matrix, or it is with respect to the matrix only. It is a number. It is not a matrix. So here, determinant is a square matrix is utterly wrong. It is not at all matrix. Second one, determinant is a number that is associated with the matrix. Of course, 75% is correct, 80% is correct, but not totally correct. Why? Because the determinant will be formed for the only square matrix, for not all types of matrix. Here simply it is a matrix is given. Of course, determinant is a number. Yeah, it is a number. It is associated with the square matrix. Here, but here it is given matrix. So it is also wrong. Determinant is a number which is associated with the square matrix. Yeah, it is correct. So here also option C is correct. C. Option C is correct. For here also option C is correct. Okay, Nana? Yeah, right.